Good morning, everybody. Kerrie from KDS Insurance Services. How are you on this last Monday of January? What a week we've had, right? It has been a crazy, busy, insane week. In case you missed it last week, I announced a massive launching of new products that are available through the agency, and I couldn't be more excited. I've been working on this for months. These are all products that can be life-changing. They can save your hard work, all of your assets. They can help you get through life's crises. They're just an amazing group of products, and I am so excited to share them with my current clients and my potential clients. They really are life-changing products, depending on where you are in your life. So look back for that. I sent everybody a message out, and it's also on YouTube. So if you're looking for that video, you can go to my YouTube channel, and it will be on my YouTube channel. It will also be in every email for the next month. There'll be a link in my email, so you can just click on that link and revisit those, including all of these individual videos that I'm going to be doing about these individual products. And the first one today is probably I don't want to say it's the most important, but it's probably the one that most people need, because most people want the American dream. Most people buy a home, and it is our biggest investment normally. It is what we strive for, the American dream. And normally when you buy a home, unless you are just very rich, or you've had a inheritance, or you've opened a billion-dollar company before the age of 25, 90% of us finance our homes, which means we owe money on them, which means the bank technically owns our home. So we have a loan. And if something happens to you, you cannot pay that loan. If you lose your life, it is so important to make sure that you are preparing for that event. And I know that's morbid, and it's not something anybody wants to talk about, but it is vitally important for your family to be prepared. This is called mortgage insurance, and it is a policy to insure your mortgage. This is not the same policy that the bank makes you pay if you haven't put down the standard 30% on your loan. This is a policy that you control, right? So in the event something happens to you, this policy will kick in and it will pay your mortgage, and you control it. The bank does not. Who wants the... Banks control way too much of our money anyways. We are fed to death by banks. This is a policy you buy It's a policy you buy yourself, you control. It's in your control at all times and nobody else's, and it will make sure that you meet your financial obligations. So in the event something does happen to you, your family is taken care of. They can stay in their home. They can continue the life that you've built together, obviously with a big change, meaning without you. But don't you want to be prepared? Because you know what? Life does not ask us when these things happen. It just happens. And I have seen the after effects of not being prepared. And I want to tell you, I don't want any of my clients to ever have to go through what I witnessed two families go through, because they were either in the process and didn't get it done in time, or they hadn't started the process before catastrophe happened, and then their complete lives had to change. Mortgage insurance, it guarantees if something happens to you, your mortgage is paid for and your family is taken care of, and you decide, not the bank, not the insurance company. You decide how to manage this policy, who's going to control it, and how they're going to control it. It is an insurance policy to protect your actual mortgage. And generally, it is not that expensive. And trust me, it is well worth it. Because the bank may be charging you insurance to protect their loan, but they get that money. You don't. In this situation, your estate gets the money. Your estate manages the money. Your estate decides what to do with this money, not the bank. That is the big difference, and it is crucial if you have a mortgage on your property to buy your own insurance so you decide, not the bank. I'm so excited about this. It's a fabulous company. It's an A+ rated company, and their customer service ratings are 5-star. So if you are interested in protecting your loan in the event something that happens to you and or your spouse, now's the time to do it. Now is the time to do it. All you got to do, pick up the phone, give me a call, and we can get a quote and find out just how inexpensive this amazing policy is to protect your American dream. Don't let it go if something happens to you, and don't let your family have to live through more upheaval by losing their home if in actual events happen where they lose you. I know it's not something you want to talk about, but it is crucially important to prepare, because life is not going to ask your permission. It's just going to happen. So give me a call, Kerrie at KDS Insurance Services, 832-391-8271. Mortgage insurance is now available, and I cannot wait to hear from you. So give me a call right away, and we'll get working on a quote for you. God bless. Have a fabulous Monday wherever you are. And this is Kerrie from KDS Insurance Services. God bless us and our amazing United States of America. I'll see you soon.